Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing the Chatgpt iMessage extension or configuring a shortcut that calls the API. Sign in to your OpenAI account and paste the API key where prompted. This authenticates requests. Once done, allow the extension permissions it asks for, like notifications. Do not enable contacts unless you need name autofill. Make sure your iPhone is updated and you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, so messages and responses flow reliably into iMessage. Now, open an iMessage conversation and launch the Chatgpt extension or run the shortcut. Type a clear instruction. Define the role, desired tone, and max length. For example, ask for a 2-line summary or a friendly reply. Once done, tweak the model settings if available, lower temperature for precise answers, higher for creative text. Also make sure streaming is enabled for faster partial replies, and test using a sample prompt so you can iterate on phrasing if responses miss the mark. Before sending, review the AI's draft inside iMessage and edit any personal details so the tone matches you. Once satisfied, send it like a normal message. To save time, make templates or Siri shortcuts that prefill prompts for common scenarios. If something goes wrong, responses are slow or erroring, check API usage and quota, confirm the API key hasn't expired, and verify your internet connection. If permissions block the extension, toggle them in settings and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.